No more social media. No more social media. Oh my god. I am so tired of wasting so much freaking time on social media. I have things that I want to accomplish, goals that I want to get done, and social media is like sucking every ounce of time out of me. It is so easy and just like, I don't even know, I unconsciously do it. So I've already deleted off Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I think that's about it. That's all that I really pretty much use. Heavily Instagram, Twitter as of recent, and a little bit of Facebook. Facebook isn't that bad. It's kind of like a get in touch with people, networking type thing for me. But Instagram specifically is addictive. It is so addictive for me. And the amount of time that I waste on that stuff, I gotta stop cussing. The amount of time that I waste on that stuff is ridiculous. I have to stop social media. I am quitting social media for a good amount of time. I'm significantly reducing my amounts of social media for a good amount of time because it is consuming all of my time. I have stuff that I want to get done, places I want to go, people I want to see, celebrities that want to meet me, and I ain't got time to be wasting my time on social media. And on top of that, I want to get really honest and get really vulnerable with you guys. Social media makes me it makes me want to just be very sexually active. I'm gonna be completely honest. Unfortunately, on my social media, which this probably says more about me than anything else, my explore page is filled with half naked, shirtless, amazing bodies, and these men are just constantly distracting. And distracting to the point that my hormones start to, you know, get the cranking, and I'm like horny all day and like all the time. Like I'm at work, you know, checking people in, and then I'm scrolling on Instagram, specifically Twitter. Twitter is really bad because there's no stop cussing. There's no filter, and it's like whatever goes goes. I mean, everybody promotes their OnlyFans on Twitter. So I'm just scrolling, then I'm just like, oh. And then it's like, I can't just be like, oh, it's gone. No, it's in the back of my head. Now I'm thinking about, oh, I can't wait till I get home, so do something to release that tension and that energy. I told you I was being vulnerable. And yeah, social media is also contributing to me being horny, and that also takes a lot of time away from me because then I have to go take care of that. And it might even lead to me watching even more pornographic material. I told you I was being vulnerable. Alright, and then the third thing is it actually contributes to me feeling like I'm worthless. You know, I don't believe that, but I think that I do, because recently I have just been not as amped up and energized about the goals and things that I wanted to do with my life. And I was like thinking about it, and I realized, and I know this, I say this to myself all the time, comparison is the thief of all joy. And I know this, I practice this, I say practice, I don't really practice it. I say this all the time to myself, I believe in that, but I am still like acting like I'm a victim to it. I mean, I know it, so it's like I have to make sure that I'm being active about making sure that I'm not comparing myself to people. And if there's something like Instagram, for example, that I'm scrolling through and I'm like following up with everybody, well, not really following up, but you know, you see people's journey on Instagram because they're posting pictures all the time. So it's like you see all they're doing and it's glamorous, it's great, it's beautiful, and you just automatically be like, well, I'm not doing that, or I'm not vacationing there, or I don't know the last time I've been outside of Ohio. And it's just like, oh, what am I doing wrong? And they're actually like the same age as me. What the yeah. So yeah, it causes me to do a lot of comparison, which is completely unhealthy because everybody has their individual journeys. You have your individual journey just like I have mine, and we can't compare ourselves because what you are trying to do in your life and in your journey is different from what I'm trying to do in my life and in my journey. Trying to compare ourselves to each other is just going to make us feel like we're pieces of unworthy clumps of poop emoji. So that actually spirals into just me not feeling good about myself, me feeling worthless, and not feeling energized about what I want to do with my life and where I want to go. And you guys know what I want to do with my life. My intent is I can't even say it. My intent and my purpose is to motivate the gay community so that they can live their best gay lives. I say that all the time, like at the end of every freaking video. That's what I want to do. I don't know. It's just something I want to do. I went through, or I came out, and my trial and errors of being gay was just like, I was like, this shit's sucks. I should just be straight. So I attribute and I aspire to help people that went through a lot of the crazy, unfortunate stuff that I went through to not go through that. Just feel like I should pay it forward. I don't know. That's just where my heart's at. So yeah, but I don't feel motivated to do that stuff when I'm on social media and I'm scrolling and I see all my friends from high school or the people I used to know back in New York, or I don't know, it could be wherever. And it's just like an unnatural, or not unnatural, it's like a natural thing that I'm just like, it just makes me feel like I'm not doing nothing because they're all the way over here. So social media, you gotta go. So yeah, that constant thinking of I'm not doing good, and then it makes me horny all the time and I feel like I'm wasting time. It's just like a circle, and it's not healthy. So I'm taking a great vast social media fast. I'm really only trying to be on there when I want to post stuff to promote my YouTube channel and promote what I'm doing, but I don't want to be scrolling. I need to stay focused on my goals and what I want to do in my life. So with that being said, I want to encourage you, take a step back. How is social media influencing you? The best way to find out is actually to get off of it for a week and then get back on it and see the differences in your mood. I've noticed that already. I just feel more like can-do attitude. The other day I actually was sitting down with my boyfriend and his roommate, and we were scrolling on Instagram on his phone. Like, he was scrolling on it and we were watching, and I was like, what the heck? I was supposed to avoid being on social media. So it's easy and it's sneaky. It like just catches up on you, and just 30 minutes go by and you're just like, oh, whoops. So yeah, try it out. Give it a week and just figure out what are the differences in your mood. I'm going to definitely at least try to do like a month, and I'm going to come back with that report and just bring you guys some actual, like, vice versa, give you something to compare to. But yeah, I encourage you to analyze this. What does social media do to you? Does it encourage you? Does it make you feel better? Does it make you feel worthless or horny like me? Let's have the conversation. My intent is to help the gay community live their best gay lives. It is what I intend to do and what I strive to do. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button below and make sure you tap the notification bell so you can get notified the next time I make a video. And remember to be the change you wish to see.